The efficacy of the vaccines is now in question right now. What is your response?
In a clinical trial, I won't recommend giving a paracetamol in a clinical trial to suppress the adverse reaction. Because in a field situation, when I'm giving a public health program, I will not be giving a paracetamol to everybody. Only will say you get next day you got a lot of fever, they'll give you something else. Otherwise, usually in a clinical trial, you want to capture every adverse reaction possible, so that you are know the realities in a field situation what will happen at a grassroots level. And I think we have taken a strategic decision not to use any chemical or any antipyretic drugs to clinical trial. And we said the entire 26,000 people has to be captured with the real-time data on with all the adverse reaction captured. But I would suggest look at some of the long-term impact what will be known in some other vaccines. Really don't know honestly whether we are going to get a neurological problem, other problem. It's a pandemic, so people are now scared of controlling the pandemic right now. So they only looked
What
at that, but not the long term. A friend of mine who took a Moderna vaccine also has sent me a pamphlet. What are the conditions they put in? And we don't put that type of condition. That's why when we develop a technology, we look at first safety first, because we don't want to exploit the pandemic situation to make a money. Even if the vaccine efficacy is a little lower also, safety should not be compromised. You don't want something 10 years down, may get this problem, neurological problem. I don't want somebody to have a psychological problem of that. So that is a very conscious decision we make all the time as a manufacturing company.